If you hear that noise, it means I'm not cutting your paint.
That's a TPU?
Yeah. Actually, it's cutting in between the TPU and the adhesive.
So today we're going to do a PPF job on the headlights. Boss man from Airworks Motorsports, Philip, actually did my Genesis, my whole front clip. And I asked him a special favor to come over to my house to do my PPF. How extra is that? But yeah, he did it anyways. What a good guy. If you guys ever need PPF or wrap PPF, he can do it at Airworks Motorsports. I'll tag him below. Does such a dang good job, dude. So this is obviously unwrapped. So like there's no PPF on this yet. We did polish this out and we had to ceramic coat it at one point, but we had to strip the ceramic coating so you can use the PPF on it because nothing will stick to ceramic coating. So it's nice and pretty right now. Adam did the polishing job on this. I'll show you the whole process. It's pretty cool. Installation gel. Ooh.
And it helps to carry debris out when you squeegee too. So that kind of helps out.
So does this need to get like heated after or no?
Not necessary. It's always better to heat it, but it also based on if your angles and tensions a lot. But you know, the set light is fairly flat.
Wow. Crazy. So this is not a dry apply because some wraps are dry apply, right? Some PPF?
Any clear film has to be wet apply.
Oh.
Any dry apply, it has an air channel. When you have air channel, then it shows like lines and marks.
Ooh.
Now, at the moment, okay, in the air, then let the excess material that's stuck on your vinyl come off first. And then later, I'm gonna come back and do a nice trimming. So right now I'm just cutting the air.
Yeah, don't be cutting my paint, bro. I mean, my headlights.
If you hear that noise, it means I'm not cutting your paint.
That's a TPU?
Yeah. Actually, it's cutting in between the TPU and the adhesive. That's why it's striking the blade and making sound.
Sounds sketchy.
As a PPF installer, this is music to the ears.
Not for us. Sounds like you're cutting my headlights.
No, it'll be grinding noise.
Ah.
Like. Alright, so just to show you, our full right now, see, it's attached, right? Then you cut through the material.
Still attached, yep.
Yep. But because I scored the film, when I fill.
Whoa. Crazy. It's kind of crazy. I tried to cut PPF before and it's actually harder than it looks to cut PPF.
It's a practice. So this is the perfect sound. And always highly recommend fresh blade every time you cut something.
100%.
Even if the knife does not get used for a while, it gets dull because of moisture.
What?
Because it starts rusting in a way.
Oh, I see.
You kind of dull down your blade a little bit.
So what do you usually charge for headlight PPF?
$250 to $350 depends on sizes and difficulties.
Dude, that's not bad. $250 to $350 to protect your rare JDM headlights. So there you go.